Right, let me see your flip. Good job, Chris. Do a flip.
I'll try. I can like.
You don't have. What do you have in your mouth? You have a seed? Okay.
Do a flip. Do a flip, Jonathan.
Wait.
I'll try.
Wait. Just like you would do a somersault.
There you go. You gonna do another one? All right.
Those are fun, right? Yeah, I did one.
Look at Chris.
I can try one like I can do it sideways.
Do it.
I can only do sideways.
There you go.
Wait, want me to do one?
Go ahead. Do a flip.